Pilot. Person who operates an aircraft. The pilot announced the flight duration. Doctor. Medical professional. The doctor prescribed some medicine. Singer. Person who sings professionally. He is a famous singer. Driver. Person who drives a vehicle. The taxi driver knew the city well. Teacher. Educator in a school or college. The teacher explained the lesson. Manager. Person who manages operations. The manager held a team meeting. Student. Person who studies at a school or university. The student studied for the exam. Designer. Person who creates designs. He is a graphic designer. Director. Person who oversees a department or organization. The director approved the new project. Engineer. Professional in engineering. He works as a mechanical engineer. Policeman. Law enforcement officer. The policeman directed traffic. Secretary. Administrative assistant. The secretary scheduled the meeting. Sportsman. Professional athlete. The sportsman won a gold medal. Programmer. Person who writes computer code. He is a software programmer. Businessman. Person engaged in business. The businessman closed a major deal.